Okay, hi Aquarius, how you guys doing? I hope you all are happy, healthy, and safe following the rules and guidelines of the government. This is the monthly reading for the month of March 2021. This is a situationship reading. Like, situationship means that you are either going through that energies currently either into your career life or into your personal life. Okay, so yeah, like you are dealing with this energies currently. Okay, so if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to enroll for the session, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to have 10 days tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. If you wish to donate, the details are given in the description box below. And if you want to order energized and activated bracelets and anklets related to health, career, finance, relationship, anything, the details are given in the description box below. And kindly check out the remedies on my YouTube channel, on this YouTube channel as well, because I have posted a lot of love remedies and money remedies, okay, for you guys, okay, which really works 100%. Okay, so yeah, let me check out your current energies. Okay, you are feeling very lonely, Aquarius. Sometimes you feel very lonely into a situation. Okay, yes, you are a very playful person, very joyful, very cheerful, but at the same time you feel alone sometimes, Aquarius. You feel feel bad or disappointed when someone compares you with someone else, or you yourself compare yourself with someone else, and that disappoints you a lot. Okay, comparison is there. Either you are comparing yourself with someone else, or someone else is comparing you with someone else. Okay, it's like that. Okay, so you're going through a lot of creativity, third eye chakra opening, understanding a lot of facts and figures about you. A lot of realizations are happening right now. Okay, so you are thinking to travel somewhere, relocate, shift, or to have a heart to heart communication with someone. Okay, so Aquarius, you feel exhausted sometimes because there is something, a wish fulfillment is on the horizon, which is not coming true. So that's why you feel very exhausted sometimes into a situation. Okay, kindly trust your intuition level, because if you are not trusting your intuition level, it won't be good as well. But I would suggest you, if you'll trust your intuition level, it will help you to take major decisions of your life, or to understand yourself better. Okay, yeah, your third eye chakra is opening. Nice. There's a difference between the internal world and the outer world. Okay, so yeah, there's an imbalance going on between internal world and the outer world, and that disappoints you a lot. Okay, so adventure. Okay, so you are ready for an adventure. You want to travel somewhere, you want to shift, you want to relocate, you are just into the mode of traveling, having fun, enjoyment. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Okay, let's check it out. What are the other energies? Yes, you are unclear about a situation. It might be either career or relationship you are going through. You are unclear about a situation. There is something ending in the month of March. Endings and new beginnings. Like something is ending in the month of March, and new beginning is on the horizon in April. Okay, so yeah, endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. You are, I think you are stuck into a deceptive energy, manipulative energy, or sneaky energies, or few of the manipulative people and non-reliable people are around you, and you just want to move away because you feel stuck into a situation. You will take a major decision to remove the obstacles which is coming your way related to this sneaky energy, manipulative energy. It might be into your work environment, it might be into your home environment. Okay, whosoever it is, you are going to remove the obstacles, and you will be moving forward. You will be moving away from those sneaky energies. Something will end, something will start, something will definitely end in the month of March. Okay, you are feeling weak related to a situation, very 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 weak. Like you sometimes are not into your own power or into your own zone. Sometimes if things are not working out into your own favor, Aquarius, you feel that nothing is working out into your own favor. That's the problem. Okay, you have the happiest card, so you are ready to move forward into your life, taking an action and moving forward. Yes, whatever problems or manipulative energies, sneaky energies are going on around you, either into the home environment or either into the career life, and whatever problems are happening, like fights, issues, problems, irritations, or verbal fight, physical fight, whatever is happening around you, or when if there is some sneaky energy around you and you know it, that is coming to an end. Okay, like you are going to leave that person, or you are going to move away from that situation. Something is going to be like that, because that disappoints you a lot. Okay, so something is ending and something is starting. Yeah, I think deceptive energy might be a mother figure, mother-in-law, or parents, or something like that. I think parents like father-in-law and mother-in-law are deceptive or something like that. So that might be a into manipulation part, like they might be manipulating their son or daughter or whatever it is. Okay, so that is a manipulative energy. So I think you will be removing the obstacles and you will be moving forward. You would like, I think in-laws are deceptive energy, I don't know. Here I'm seeing it's almost a personal read. I feel I'm doing a personal reading of some person. It feels as if like that. Okay, so you feel weak related to a situation because whosoever left you out in the cold, or you left out someone in the cold in the past, you feel disappointed sometimes. Okay, and you feel weak into a situation. Okay, or you feel that some person should not leave you, something like that. Okay, should not leave you. Okay, so yeah, I just feel that you are disappointed because of the fact, because you are stuck into a situation. Okay, like deceptive and manipulative energy, you are stuck and you are unable to move forward, or it's like that. Guys, I need to tell you, I think that this is almost a personal read I'm doing of someone. It's very it looks like I'm doing a reading for a person. Okay, so you are releasing a lot of problems now, and you are no more confused between head and heart. You are gaining a lot of clarity about people around you, about the situation around you, about toxic people around you. You are thinking about the past somewhere, or someone else, or your past partner is thinking about you. Okay, you're ready to move on from the past, and you are ready to move forward in life. Okay, now ready to relocate, shift, and thinking about yourself now. Okay, so there is an opportunity for money you are waiting for. Okay, which is not coming towards you in the month of March, but it will definitely come within next 4 months, 4 to 5 months. Okay, you're daydreaming about a promotion, about opening a business. You have a certain wish or goal related to a job or a career or financial life, and you are working hard towards it. Okay, and I think it will come true within next 7 months. Okay, whatever aim, like if you want promotion, you will get it within next 7 months. If you are looking for a business thing, you will start in the next 7 months. Okay, or if you are waiting for some sort of an opportunity or a project, a lump sum amount of project, you will get it within next 7 to 8 months. Okay guys, Aquarius, into your financial life I'm talking about. Okay, so yeah, let's check it out, the universal message for you guys. Okay, the first message, the second message, the third, and the fourth. Okay, so let's check it out, the universal. Wow, oh my god, you've got the best card and the deck, the title of the deck. Okay, the first universal message for you, Aquarius, is that the more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. Wow. The second universal message is, in any moment I can surrender to the powerful presence of love through prayer, contemplation, and stillness. Okay, nice. The third universal message is, energy flows where my intention goes. Keep your intention pure, because whatever you'll think of, that will come true. Okay, the universe has my back. Wow, this is the main card. Okay, from the universe side, because the deck, the tarot deck, the oracle card's name is the title of this card, the universe has my back. Okay, So I think, you know, the universe is supporting you, whatever you are going through currently, either good, worst, or best. Okay, that is being made by the universe, because after every bad phase, the universe gives you the best time you can ever have in life. Okay, so yes, trust the universe, trust the process of the universe, because everything is aligned in the universal case. Okay, and you are meant for it. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Okay. Okay, so I hope you like this reading, Aquarius. I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you wish to enroll for the session, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, bye bye. Take care, Aquarius. Bye bye.